Hi there, I'm Kate McClellan, and I've been a professional wedding planner for over 20 years now. I started Planning Collective when I noticed that though most couples are super excited about getting engaged, they quickly feel overwhelmed and intimidated by the actual process of planning their weddings. If left unchecked, this can lead to massive burnout and the urge to scrap all your plans and just elope. While this is totally normal, you don't have to sacrifice your sanity for your dream wedding. In the Wedding Planning Collective podcast, I'm going to share the processes, tips, and tools that all engaged couples like you need to feel confident, supported, and excited about your wedding plans again. Let's get started. Hi there, I'm Kate McClellan, and I've been a professional wedding planner for over 20 years now. I started Planning Collective when I noticed that though most couples are super excited about getting engaged, they quickly feel overwhelmed and intimidated by the actual process of planning their weddings. If left unchecked, this can lead to massive burnout and the urge to scrap all your plans and just elope. While this is totally normal, you don't have to sacrifice your sanity for your dream wedding. In the Wedding Planning Collective podcast, I'm going to share the processes, tips, and tools that all engaged couples like you need to feel confident, supported, and excited about your wedding plans again. Let's get started. Hey guys, Kate here. Welcome to the Wedding Planning Collective podcast. The Black Friday deals are starting to go live, and I wanted to take the opportunity to revisit one of my favorite topics, how you can best take advantage of these sales events to stock up on items that you're going to need for your wedding. Now, if you're earlier in the planning process, keep in mind that you can use these same lists for things like Amazon Prime Days when you are ready to start shopping. Prime Days have been happening in July and October the last couple of years, so make sure you flag these lists for that time. And if you're on the go while you're listening to this, just note that you can get the full list on the most recent blog post over at planningcollective.com/Black Friday. So don't worry about jotting things down or taking notes while you're listening. Additionally, this is not a sponsored or affiliated episode or blog post. I'm not sharing specific products or links for you to use to purchase. Rather, the categories or items that I think have the best potential for savings during Black Friday sales. Let's start with gifts. Black Friday is a great opportunity to snag some of the gifts that you will want to give your parents or wedding party. Common items for gifts could be jewelry for everyone to wear on the wedding day, robes or shirts for getting ready, fun, unique socks for the groomsmen, custom flasks or bags for them to use on the wedding day, cups or mugs with their names on them. You can also use Black Friday deals to stock up on some pre-wedding beauty supplies that maybe you've been looking for a reason to splurge on. Just make sure to try them out well in advance of the wedding day so that you don't have any skin reactions or anything like that close to the actual wedding. These items might include face or eye masks for the morning of the wedding, teeth whitening products, serums or creams for skincare, self-tanner, again, test it out, hair treatments or different appliances, and day of hair and makeup supplies if you're not hiring a professional to do this for you. If you're thinking of doing hotel welcome bags, you can grab the supplies for that during these sales, including the actual boxes or bags themselves, tissue paper or filler you might need, and the snacks, candy, or hangover kit items that you've been thinking of adding in. Moving on to items that you might use for the ceremony or reception, Black Friday could be a perfect opportunity to pick up things like your detail photo props, like a nice ring box, jewelry box, perfume bottles, dress hangers, your ceremony arch or pew or aisle decor. If you're going to need a card box, guest book, if you're looking at maybe neon signs, table numbers, favors, or favor packaging, candles, whether you're going to use flameless or real candles. Don't forget the batteries if you are using flameless, foam glow sticks or dance floor sparklers or glow sticks, Polaroid cameras and film, disposable cameras, photo booth props, paper for stationery items, dishware, whether you're using disposable or real. Black Friday can be a great time for you to save on that. And don't forget the dishes for the appetizers and dessert, as well as the main dinner. Napkins for cocktail hour or the bar if you want to do them with your little monogram or your date on them. Bathroom basket supplies, flip-flops, and a basket for dancing feet. And if you're thinking that you may DIY some projects, I've heard that the Cricut brand products will also be on sale. So now would be a perfect time to get a discount on that. If you're having an outdoor wedding, Black Friday can be a great opportunity to grab some pedestal fans and umbrellas in case of rain or extreme heat. These are great items to stock up on, but make sure that you're able to return them. Hopefully, the weather will be in your favor on your wedding day, so you won't need them. But if you do need them, it's good to save a little bit on them. And one tip for umbrellas: large clear umbrellas or black golf umbrellas are typically the best. They look great in photos if you do need to use them. And as we're wrapping things up, a few more tips to share with you. Check out the pre sale pricing. Unfortunately, some vendors do try to take advantage of higher traffic to their sites by increasing their pricing before the sale. So it just looks like it's on sale. Is a bigger purchase item, make sure that you are checking out what the actual price was beforehand. Most stores do offer free returns or exchanges, but make sure that you are looking at the policy before you make any purchases, especially if you're not 100% sure you'll be able to use the item. And don't forget to check out smaller online shops like Etsy or local businesses that may not pop up with like all the other big retailers' ads and promotions. You may have some smaller businesses that you've been looking at that are going to be offering deals during Black Friday. So it can be a perfect opportunity to save a little bit while you're planning your wedding. And if you aren't already on our email list, make sure to sign up by grabbing one of our free guides at planningcollective.com/free guides. So you'll be the first to snag the Planning Collective Black Friday deals that will be coming out soon. Again, you can find this list over at planningcollective.com/Black Friday. And make sure you head over to the Wedding Planning Collective Facebook group so that you can share what deals you're finding while you're shopping for your wedding this Black Friday. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next episode.